Hello everyone, I welcome you all to KR CBSE School Moodle online classes. So today I will start with new chapter triangles, which is your sixth chapter. I think you all know what is triangle. What is triangle? Triangle is a polygon with three sides. Triangle is a polygon with three sides. So next, in this chapter, first I will discuss about congruent figures and similar figures. In ninth standard, we solve problems on congruent figures. So you know what is congruent figure, and in this chapter, we will get to know what is similar figures. So congruent figure means first congruent figures means if two figures have same shape and same size, then it is called as congruent figure. Here same shape and same size. So these two are examples for congruent figures. These are two parallelograms given where these two figures have the same shape and same size. Suppose for example consider here ABCD PQRS. These two are parallel given two parallelograms. Here angle A should be equal to angle P, angle B should be equal to angle Q, angle C, angle R, angle D should be equal to angle S. Same size, and here sides should be equal to each other. AB should be equal to PQ, QS should be equal to DB, CD should be equal to RS. Like this only AG is equal to PR. So here all the sides and all the angles should be equal to each other. So these two are congruent figures because these two figures have same shape and same size. Again, another example, two squares are here. Here all the angles are equal to each other and all the sides are equal to each other. So congruent figures means if two figures, these two figures and these two figures, if two figures have same shape and same size. So these two are parallelogram with same size. These two are squares with same size. Therefore, these two figures are known as congruent figures. These parallelograms and squares are congruent to each other because these have same shape and size. So next, so now we will get to know what is similar figures. Similar figures means these figures have same shape. Same shape. These two are triangles, have same shape and but not necessarily same size. Here size is not same. The size of the triangles or the size of circle is not same, but shape is same. Therefore, this is called as similar figures. Examples for similar figures. Some of examples I have written here. Circle. All the circles are similar figures only. Suppose this one and this one. Here size is different, but shape is same. Therefore, all the circles have similarity between two figures. Like that only, all the equilateral triangles, equilateral triangles, equilateral triangles have same angle and same size, and shape is also same. These are called as similar figures only. And all the regular polygons, squares have the similarity. Okay. So next I will discuss some of the properties of similarity of figures. So now I will discuss similarity of polygons. So two polygons are said to be similar when if First condition, there are mainly two conditions for similarity of polygons. First one, their corresponding angles are equal. If their corresponding angles are equal, first condition. Suppose for example, consider I will draw two triangles here, A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So here corresponding angles should be equal to each other. Here angle A should be equal to angle X. Like this only angle B should be equal to angle Y. Angle C equals to angle Z. So what is the first condition for similarity? Their corresponding angles should be equal to each other. And second condition is their corresponding sides are proportional. Here corresponding sides should be proportional, means suppose for example consider these two diagrams, two triangles. AB is of 2 centimeters and BC 3 centimeter and AC is of 4 centimeter. And suppose for example consider XY is of 4 centimeter and YZ is of 6 centimeter and XZ is of 8 centimeter. So here, what is the second condition? Their corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides should be proportional, means here AB by XY. What is the value we will get? AB by XY means AB length is 2 and XY is of 4 centimeter. Therefore, we will get answer as 1 by 2. Next, BC by YZ. These are the corresponding sides. AB is corresponding to XY. Therefore, AB by XY. We got answer as 1 by 2. 2 by 4 means 1 by 2. Like this only BC by YZ. BC by YZ. What is the length of BC here? 3 and YZ is of 6 centimeter. So 3 on the 3 to the means we will get 1 by 2 only. Next corresponding sides are AC and XZ. Therefore, AC by XZ. AC is 4 and XZ 8. 4 by 8 means how much we will get? 4 on the 4 to the means 1 by 2 only. So here we got the answer as 1 by 2 only for all the corresponding sides. AB by XY is also 1 by 2, BC by YZ is also 1 by 2, AC by XZ is also 1 by 2. Therefore, their corresponding sides should be proportional to each other. Therefore, here these two triangles are similar. If angle A is equal to angle X and angle B is equal to angle Y, angle C is equal to angle Z, and if the corresponding sides are proportional, then these two sides polygons are or triangles are similar to each other. So these are the two important conditions for similarity of polygons. First one, corresponding angles should be equal to each other and corresponding sides are proportional. So now another important point is all the congruent figures are similar. Suppose for example I will consider squares. Here in squares all the angles are equal to 90 degree only and all the sides are equal to each other. Suppose this is of 4 centimeter, 4 and here also it is of 4 centimeter. these two squares are congruent to each other. Why? These two squares are, all the angles are equal and all the sides are also equal here. Okay, so these two congruent figures similar also. Why? Here all the corresponding angles are equal to each other only. Here consider angle ABCD PQRS. Here angle A is equal to P and angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, angle P is equal to angle S. So what is the first condition for similarity of polygon? Their corresponding angles are equal. Here corresponding angles equal to each other. And next, second condition is corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding sides means here AB means PQ. AB by here PQ. AB by PQ means 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Like that only. PC by QR. How much you will get? 4 by 4 only. That is also 1. PC by SR means that is also 4. We will get 1 only. And PA by SP is also 4. We will get 1 only. So corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, here these two congruent figures are similar also. Therefore, what we have written here, all the congruent figures are similar. All the congruent figures. We can consider another example also. Suppose for example consider this is for square. I will consider triangle. Congruent means all the angles and all the sides should be equal to each other. If in a triangle all the sides and all the angles are equal to each other, then what it is called? Equilateral triangle. So here all the angles are equal and all the sides are equal. So these two triangles are congruent, and if these two figures are congruent, then these two figures can also be similar figures. Why? Here corresponding angles are equal to each other. Here for example consider ABC XYZ. A is equal to X, B is equal to Y, C is equal to angle Z. Here what is the first condition? Corresponding angles are equal. So here corresponding angles are equal, and second one is corresponding sides are proportional. So in a equilateral triangle all the sides are equal to each other. For example consider these are the sides of 5 centimeters. Now we will find proportionality. AB by XY means AB by XY means 5 cm by 5 cm, which is equal to 1 only. Next, BC by YZ means 5 by 5. There also will get 1 only. AC by XZ means 5 by 5. So there also will get 1 only. Therefore, their corresponding sides are proportional. So by observing these two examples, first one was square, this is equilateral triangle. These two examples are congruent figures and these are similar also. Therefore, what I have written here, all the congruent figures are similar, but similar figures need not to be congruent. What is the second sentence here? But similar figures need not to be congruent. So here, this is the example I have written for similar figures. So I will check can it be a congruent figure or not. So here all the angles are equal to each other, but all the sides are not equal to each other. Therefore, these are not congruent to each other. Therefore, similar figures need not to be congruent, but all the congruent figures are similar only. So now I will discuss some more examples on similar figures. So this is the example for similarity of polygons. They have given two diagrams, two polygons here. So here This is the quadrilateral ABCD and this is PQRS. And here angle A is 105 degree and here angle B is 105 degree. Therefore, what we can write here, angle A is equal to angle B. And angle B is 100 degree, here angle Q is also 100 degree. Angle B is equals to angle Q. Next, angle C is 70, here angle R is 70 degree. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle R. Here angle D is 85, here angle S is 85 degree. Therefore, angle D is equal to angle S. Therefore, here corresponding angles are equal to each other. A is equal to P, B is equal to Q, C is equal to R, D is equal to S. So here corresponding angles equal to each other. So this is the first condition for similarity of polygons. Now we will check proportionality of sides. So here side AB by PQ. Here AB by PQ. These are the corresponding sides. We are checking proportionality of corresponding sides. Here AB is corresponding side of PQ. Therefore, AB by PQ means 1.5 by 1.5 centimeter. AB is of 1.5 centimeter and here PQ is of 3 centimeter. 1.5 divided by 3 means how much we will get? 1 by 2. Next, here BC is corresponding to QR. BC by QR. So here BC length is 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 by QR. QR is of 5 centimeter. So 2.5 by 5 means we will get 1 by 2. Like this. Here CD is corresponding to RS. So CD by RS. What is the length of CD? 2.4 and length of RS 4.8. 2.4 divided by 4.8 means we will get 1 by 2. And last side AD corresponds to PS. Therefore, here AD by PS. So here AD length is 2.1 and length of PS is 4.2. 2.1 divided by 4.2 means we will get 1 by 2. Here all the sides are proportional to each other. Therefore, first condition is all the corresponding angles are equal to each other, and second one is their corresponding sides are proportional. Here the corresponding sides are proportional. So these two quadrilaterals are similar to each other. Okay. Next one. Here I will consider another example. So here again there are two quadrilaterals. In first one, here all the angles are perpendicular means 90 degree and all the sides are equal to 3 centimeters. I will name it as ABCD. And here all the angles are 90 degree only and two sides are of 3 centimeters and these two are of 3.5 centimeters. I will name it as PQRS. Now I will check similarity. So here corresponding angle is angle A, angle B. These two are equal because These two angles equal to 90 degree only. Like this only, angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R. Angle D is equal to angle S. Because here in two quadrilaterals all the angles are equal to 90 degree only. So here all the corresponding angles are equal to each other. So here this is the first condition. Now we will check the second condition. Proportionality of the corresponding sides. So here AB by PQ, because these two are corresponding sides. AB by PQ. So AB is of length 3 and PQ is of 3.5. 3 by 3.5 means how much we will get? 0.8. I will write it directly, 0.8. So here next corresponding sides are BC by QR. BC by QR. BC is of 3 cm. QR is of 3 cm. 3 by 3 means 1. Next CD by RS. CD by RS. CD is of 3 cm and RS 3.5. 3 by 3.5 means 0.8. Next AD by PS. AD by PS. AD is of 3 cm. Here PS 3 cm. Therefore 3 by 3 means 1. So here all the proportionality ratios are not equal. First one is 0.8, here it is 1, here it is 0.8, here it is 1. So here corresponding sides are not in the same ratio. Corresponding sides, these AB and PQ, BC and QR, RS and CD, AD and PS. So these sides are not in the same ratio. Therefore, these two polygons are not similar. So I will consider another example. So this is the another example. Here also we are given two quadrilaterals. This is ABCD and PQRS. Here all the sides are 2.1 centimeter. Here all the sides are 4.2 centimeters. So now we will check similarity of polygons. So here all the angles are 90 degree, but here all the angles are not 90 degree. Therefore here corresponding angles are not equal to each other. Suppose for example consider angle A is not equal to angle P. Angle B is not equal to angle Q. Here first condition, corresponding angles should be equal to each other for similarity, but here corresponding angles are not equal. But here corresponding sides are of same ratio, because 2.1 by 4.2 means we will get 1 by 2. 2.1 by 4.2 means we will get 1 by 2. They are also same. So corresponding sides are the same ratio, but corresponding angles are not of same size. Therefore these two polygons are not similar. So I hope you all are clear with the concept of congruency, similarity, and the difference between congruency and similarity, and the conditions for similarity of polygons. So in next class I will continue with exercise 6.1. Thank you all.